Good morning, grade 5. I hope everybody had an awesome long weekend and you're ready for today's lesson. So let's get started. So today we'll be doing language, right? So I would like everybody to please open up the textbooks on page 82. We will be doing language, like I said. So you can just follow in your textbooks as I go along in the slides. So the first thing we'll be looking at today is abstract nouns, right? So what is an abstract noun? So an abstract noun is something you cannot taste, touch, hear, or see, right? And this may be an idea or a feeling. So for example, beauty, friendship, happiness, or greediness. So all of these examples that I gave you are of things that you cannot physically taste or touch or hear or see, right? So I want you to look around you or look at yourself and see if you see any examples of something that's an abstract noun. So it could be the way you're feeling right now. So maybe if you're feeling happy, if you're feeling sad, if you're feeling excited for today's lesson, that's all abstract nouns because it's a feeling, right? And you can't taste or hear or see that feeling, right? Also, please remember you need to copy the slide, right? Wherever you see copy slide, you need to copy it in your book. Okay, so yeah, I have some examples of common abstract nouns. So I'll just read through a few of it. So we have ability, compassion, friendship, life, right, hate, annoyance, adventure, evil, hurt, opinion, sleep, right? So those are some examples of abstract nouns, right? So you can feel free to pause the screen, pause the video, read through the examples. Then I'll carry on. So next we have collective nouns, right? So what is a collective noun? So a collective noun refers to a group, right? So for example, we get a pride of lions or a gaggle of geese, right? So this noun is all about referring to groups and putting single things into a group, right? So if you are in class, for instance, all of you are my learners and together we are in a classroom, right? That's our group. So also don't forget to copy the slide in your book. Let's look at some examples. So we have examples of people, right? So we can have a band of men, or we can have a bevy of girls, we can have a choir of singers, right? So you see how they're grouping people together. Then let's look at animals. So we can have a flock of turkeys, we can have a litter of cubs, or we can have a kennel of dogs, right? So once again, we can see how animals are put in a group, right? Lastly, we have things, right? So we have a batch of cakes, we have a bottle of milk, or we have a bowl of rice. And then we can see again how we are putting these single things into a group, right? Okay, so let's read through the questions that are asking us. So question 1 says, copy the rhyme below. Underline all the abstract nouns and circle the collective nouns. So there we have a little rhyme which reads, a swarm of bees may fill us with fear, but a flock of doves is a joy to be near. So you will need to underline all your abstract nouns, which remember is things we cannot taste, hear, or see, or and they are usually ideas or feeling. and then we need to circle all our collective nouns, and we know that collective nouns refers to a group of things, animals, or people. So question 2 says match each animal with its collective noun. So here we have some geese, we have owls, we have fish, we have dolphins, and we have wolves, right? So we need to match each animal to one of these words, right? And then the last question, question number 3, now make up your own collective nouns for the following. And they give you 4 words there, so you can make up your own collective noun using whatever you want to make a group of something, right? So that will be your questions for homework, question 1 to 3. Okay, so for homework, I would like you to please write the heading, the date and page number, and then draw a line. Please first copy the slides with definitions and the examples. And after you copied your slides, I would like you to answer the questions, question 1 to 3 on page 82. And this must be completed in your English workbook, right? And homework will be due for the 5th of May. Right, so I hope you enjoy your homework and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!